everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. I'm Bao, and today I have a special haul for you. It seems like I do quite a few hauls, but it's because I love beads so much, so bear with me through my haul videos. And thank you so much for watching all of my tutorial videos. So I went to my special bead store downtown and I found some freshwater pearls. This is the first thing that I'll talk about. They're freshwater pearls. They're kind of a cream color, off-white color. So those are pretty. I got 4 strands of those. This is in a baggie, and that's also a strand. Let's see. And I'm gonna put like a picture or a small video in this video that shows you the store. Okay, so here I am in the store, and these are the beads that they have on the $5 strand wall, and they have quite a selection. And I am focusing in on those Dalmatian jasper beads at the top that I like, then the polymer clay at the bottom, and then just many more. This is so cool. And I also linked the video before of the video of where I went to the same bead shop last year, and so yeah, it was time to get back. This is a strand of peach aventurine. That's what the clerk told me this was. I really thought that was pretty. This is for a special upcoming project. This was like a $5 strand. And of course they have the strands that are more expensive, and I kind of hung around the $5 strands. So the peach aventurine, I've got the pearls, and I'm excited to work with those pearls. I've never bought freshwater pearls from like a jewelry bead store before. So that was exciting to see that large pail of all the freshwater pearls. Of course, this is jasper, Dalmatian jasper. I love this. I just think it's just pretty. The little black specks in the white color bead. And these are larger beads. This is, I think, 8mm beads. And then I got 2 strands of these. It's just a mixture. I see sodalite there. I see that pretty blue bead. I see some amethyst, and just a mixture. Rose quartz, all different shades. You know, kind of like a rainbow mix of authentic gemstones. So I really like these, and I have 2 different sizes. If you can tell that. There's a larger one that I think is probably about 6mm, and the smaller one probably 3. And so I think that'll make I think it'll make a nice bracelet. Just maybe some stacking bracelets. And so I got those, and then I got some really pretty agate beads. They are different shades. Like this one is kind of an olive green color. I love that shade. This is brown, more brown, and this white one is like kind of clear, and then it's got black laced through it. So these were just free, like in a bowl, and so they've got a hole there at the tip, each one of them. So it'll be interesting. I'm thinking wire wrapping, or either put a bail there to make a pendant. But I'm interested to see what I can do with those, because I really do like the beads. And then finally I got many different charms. I've hauled this before. These are pretty leaves. My favorite season is fall, so I like making earrings with beads. I got about 20 of those. I also like butterflies. Since I started making jewelry, one of my favorite things to use is butterflies. So I got these gold-plated butterflies. I thought they were really pretty. I've got about 10 of those. And then I found these mermaid tails that I thought were cute to turn into probably a necklace. Put a pretty chain on there or something like that. Maybe even earrings. But I did like the look of the little mermaid tail. Thought that would make a cute set. And I also found letters. Found a couple of letters that I thought were pretty. Toying with the idea of personalizing jewelry. I have not started that yet. I also found some feathers. I like the feathers. I think they're pretty. And so that's what I also got, I almost forgot this. I got leather. I thought it might be different, I don't know, texture or quality if I got it at a bead store, like a true bead store, instead of maybe a local craft store. But I found out it's all pretty much the same. If it's leather, it's leather. So this is like leather. The other one is more like deer skin, I think. It's thinner. This one is thinner. And then this is leather cord. So I think the local craft store has just as good. That's my opinion on this. And then you probably can get more on a spool at a craft store as well. So I like that because I do like leather cord necklaces. So I think that's it so far. Yes, everything else looks like something I've gotten already. And so have to see what I can do with these things that I made for my that I purchased for my local craft shop. Some projects or like updates that I wanted to let everyone know about. I'm gonna try to upload at least 3 times a week. I think I used to be at about 3 times a week. I'm gonna try to do that again. And I am looking to do things like that, just to spruce up the channel and make things a little bit more. And so I'm looking very much forward to that. Of course, I'm on my journey to 1,000 subscribers. And so I'm thankful for each and every one of you. And I thank you for your support. And thank you for watching. And let's see what I can come up with next time. Bye-bye.